Hi, my name's Luke and I'm from Sydney, Australia. Well, the Flex program taught me a lot about some alternative ways of investing in the US, some ways that I didn't know about before, and I learned a lot. Rao's knowledge seems extensive. His delivery style is flexible and casual, and he really does encourage everybody to ask a lot of questions. You know, he really went out of his way to make sure that the whole group was included and that everybody, you know, got their questions answered. I would recommend the program to other people. Look, knowledge is power. Good investors are educated investors.
Hi, I'm Glenn Martin from Auckland, New Zealand. The Flex program was very informative. I learnt a lot. There's so much to understand in the US, different states, different laws, so the program taught me everything I needed to know. His expertise is excellent. He understands and has had a lot of experience with dealing with it himself, which he can teach to us as the students. I'd recommend it to others. It's a big minefield in the US, so having somebody that has the experience is definitely key.
Hi, my name is Robin from Jakarta, and I truly enjoy this 2-day workshop that we have organized by Noble Sky, and all the contents and all the informations. It's all about education and it's all about knowledge. I'm truly blessed. I have learned so much about how to acquire properties in US. Thank you, Noble Sky, for coming to Jakarta and share this great opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Darius. I attended the 2 days Noble Sky seminar, and it's a very comprehensive workshop. But really, from ever since I was small, I'm a firm believer that property is the best investment, short term, even long term. And this Global Sky version is the short term that you can profit a lot.
Saya Ari, saya dari Jakarta, saya pegawai perusahaan swasta, dan saya ini sudah hampir pensiun. Jadi salah satu motivasi saya untuk ikut workshop ini adalah karena saya ingin melakukan sesuatu dengan hidup saya setelah pensiun. Nah, saya terus terang agak-agak awalnya tidak percaya dengan apa yang mereka katakan dalam iklan mereka, bahwa bisa beli properti di Amerika dengan harga begitu murah. Tapi setelah mengikuti workshop ini selama 2 hari, saya yakin sekali bahwa ini skema yang benar dan ini akan bisa dijalankan dengan baik, dan saya sudah langsung mendaftarkan diri. Jadi saya akan ikut skema ini dan saya yakin ini akan baik buat saya. Terima kasih.
Hi everyone, this is Lola Delvin. I'm from Jakarta. I've just attended a 2-day workshop conducted by Noble Sky Group on US real estate, and what I find is that this is a very awesome workshop. I really appreciate Rob Said and I and their team, because they really open up my understanding about investing on real estate in the US. Things that I always heard so many years, and I learned actually. I read the book of Robert Kiyosaki. I heard about people offering me, but no one told me how to do it. So if you want to invest in the real estate and you want to profit from it, you learn from the expert. And Rao Said and I and the team will tell you how to do it. So my advice to you: come, find out, learn from the experts, and don't come alone. Invite your friends, share the good news to your friends.